Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is a video on how to make salsa mexicana. And here are the ingredients that you'll be needing to make this salsa. So you'll be needing some onion, you'll be needing 3 garlic cloves, you'll be needing some cilantro, 7 Chile serrano peppers, 5 tomatoes, and some salt.
Vamos a poner a cocer los chiles, los jitomates.
So now we put it on the stove so it can start boiling at medium-high heat.
Vamos a poner los chiles.
So right here, just make sure to take off the stem off the chilies. And now add all of the rest. Now time to add some salt. And now time to blend all of this together so we can make that salsa. And here are the final results of the salsa. Now time to enjoy it with some tacos.